Estamos en la 16ª edición de la travesía Kayak Costa Tropical de Castillo de Baños a Carchuna.
On the coast of Granada, the sun is shining bright. Adventure calls us, let's paddle with the light. From camping Don Cactus, we start to dream. With the sea as a witness, together we plead.
As waves crash around us, we echo the thrill. Hearts beating as one, we ride every swell. With every stroke forward, our spirits ignite. Together we conquer from morning till night. Waves that carry us,
Women on fly.
we cross the horizon, searching for light. From Castillo de Baños to Carchuna shore, the journey keeps moving, we crave to explore.
Stocks at Castillo, fueling joy anew.
La playa de la Hijana, happiness in view.
11 kilometers of laughter.
Friends by my side,
Each stroke is a heartbeat.
in this thrilling ride. The sea unites us, we are one in the flow. Memories blossom like the dawn's gentle glow.
Costa Tropical.
Witness to our quest, through laughter and effort, we find our zest. Waves that carry us,
Wind in our fly.
we cross the horizon, searching for light. From Castillo de Baños to Carchuna shore, the journey keeps moving, we crave to explore.
A las 8 de la mañana. A las 8 de la mañana, listos para remar, con nuestros kayaks preparados.
Listos para navegar,
El sol brilla intenso, la emoción sin igual.